Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Alton, and beside me is...
Me.
And what's your name?
Paxton.
That's right, Paxton. Paxton is 5, and he's going to help me today, well, thank you for the kiss, with a very special package. This is really cool because this is actually my first on loan from a bro, Guillaume, who has a fantastic Instagram account, which is, you like to say Guillaume? That's his name. And he's got a great account. It is Papa Gritchy DC. I'm going to put a link up for you. And he said, you want to check these out? And I said, absolutely. So why don't we open this up and see what we can find. Guillaume is in Quebec, a wonderful, beautiful province in Canada.
Right?
Yeah, we are. All right. Oh.
Is everybody still here?
Is everybody watching?
Yeah.
I think they are, hopefully. One.
I can't see them.
Can't see them?
Two.
So we have...
I'll open this for you.
Oh, no. What we're going to do is we're going to put these here.
Is this Steve watch you bought?
Okay. He wanted me to see this TIMEX, and I really want to see it too. So I'm glad for that. And then I said, can you throw in, I mean, you're paying shipping already, can you throw in that Bertucci? Because I've never seen a Bertucci, and I've always wondered what they look like. So, Pax, let's check this one out, shall we?
Yes.
Shall we? Yes.
Yeah.
All right. You ready?
Yeah.
Check it out.
It's a watch.
Ooh, it's a Bertucci watch.
You older watch, I knew it.
Yeah, do you like it?
Yeah. What kind is it?
It's a quartz watch. It's aluminum, so it's really light.
It has to work. Oh, let me have that stander for a bit.
Yeah, you can play with the stander. You love the standers.
You want to use this one?
And you know what? Guillaume has, I think, a little boy too. He's got a child too. I think it's a little boy. Apologies if it isn't.
Well, I'm a boy.
And they like to watch our unboxing videos, Daddy and son. Yeah.
I'm a son and Sam can watch, right?
Yep. So cool. I'll check out this Bertucci, but let's check out the TIMEX.
We're going to try out what's in here today.
Let's see, what do you think's in here? The box, I'm familiar with these boxes. The Q TIMEX comes in these.
Whoa, that's... How many boxes?
Ready?
It's another watch?
It's another watch. Okay, now this is one that I had to ask Guillaume to explain to me.
Here's the patches.
It's the James Limited Edition TIMEX. And... oh, it's already going. There we go. Didn't take much. Okay, not hacking, but it is automatic. I'm guessing a Miyota 8000 in here, as they like to use. Or maybe it's a Chinese movement. You know, I'll do my research. That's why this is an unboxing and not a review. So there you go. Very nice looking one. It's bigger than I thought it would be. Yeah. Paxton's over there playing with Metroplex, my Transformer from 1986 or 7. Yeah. Oh, cool. Neat. All right, Pax, what do you think of this one?
Ooh, it's good. It's big. I like that one. I like that one most.
You like this one most? You like this one more than the Bertucci?
Yeah.
Yeah? You like
I like them both most.
Okay. Well, I'm glad to get a chance to check out both of these, and I will spend a little bit more time with them, and then get back to you folks with my final thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great weekend.